Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of x. This is equal to 48. What is the value of x? So let's prevent the solution from here. Now, this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 8 to the power of x plus x. This is equal to 48. The next step from here, we have that this is 8 to the power of x plus x. This is equal to 2x, and this is equal to 48. So the next step from here, to solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 8 to the power of 2x. This is equal to log 48. The next step is that log 8 to the power of 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. So this implies that applying this property, then log 8 to the power of 2x becomes 2x log 8. This is equal to, now applying this power rule property, then log 8 to the power of 2x becomes 2x log 8. This is equal to log 48. Let's divide both sides by log 8 from here. Log 8. So that now we simplify log 8 and log 8 so that 2x is equal to log 48 divided by log 8. Let's express 48 as 8 multiplied by 6. So that now this is 2x equal to log 8 times 6. Everything here divided by log 8. Now the next step is that log 8 times 6, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property from here, this implies that here we have 2x. This is equal to log 8 divided by log 8 from here plus log 6 divided by log 8. So from here, let's simplify log 8 and log 8 so that now we have 2x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 6 divided by log 8. So 2x is equal to 1 plus log 6 over log 8. From here, we can express 6 as 2 times 3. And we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So substituting this, we have 2x is equal to 1 plus log. Now here we have 2 times 3. Everything here divided by log 2 to the power 3. So you find that log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property from here, then this implies that we have 2x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3, then plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. The next step from here, log 2 to the power 3, by applying the power rule property, that is log a to the power n. This can be expressed as n log a. Applying this property, then here we have 2x is equal to, this is 1 plus log 2 divided by 3, this is 3 log 2, then plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. Now, the next step from here, let's simplify log 2 and log 2 from here, so that now 2x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2. So from here, we have that 2x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3. This is the same thing as 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3. This is log 3 over log 2. So you find that log 3 over log 2, this is in the form of log A over log B, which you can express as log A to base B. Now, applying this logarithm property from here, you find that we have that 2x is equal to 4 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2. So the next step from here is to divide both sides by 2. So let's divide here by 2, so that now we can express x as, this is the same thing as 4 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2, then log 3 to base 2. So let's simplify here by 2, 1, 4 divided by 2, this is 2. So therefore, x is equal to, this is 2 over 3 plus, this is 1 over 3 times 2, which is equal to 6, log 3 to base 2. Now, this is the value of x. This is the value of x from here. So the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation as follows. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. If you recall from here, we have that 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of x. This should give us a value of 48. So remember, this exponential equation is in the form of 8 to the power of n times 8 to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. So this implies here we have 8 to the power of x plus x, and this is supposed to give us a value of 48. So here we have 8 to the power of 2x. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. So the next step is to substitute the value of x. So we have 8 to the power of 2 times x. Remember, x is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6 log 3 to base 2. Close the bracket. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. From here, we can express 8 basically as 2 to the power 3. Let's substitute this 2 to the power 3 so that we have 2 to the power 3 times 2 into the parentheses. Value of x is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6. This is log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Let's simplify here by 3, 1 by 3. This simplifies. So we have 2 to the power of 2 times 2. This is equal to 4. Then plus. Now here we have 6. Let's divide 6 by 2. This becomes 3. Then we have 3 here. 3 and 3 simplifies. So plus log 3 to base 2. From here, this is supposed to give us a value of 48. The next step is that 2 to the power of 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property from here, this implies that we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. So from here, 2 to the power of 4, this is equal to 16. Now, the next step is that 2 to the power of, that is 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. This is actually in the form of This is in the form of m to the power of log a to base m, which is supposed to give us a value of a. Applying this property, then 2 to the power of 3 to base 2, this is equal to 3. Let's substitute this 3 from here. So here we have 2 to the power 4, which is 16, multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. So therefore, 16 times 3, this is 48, which is equal to 48. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that x is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6 log 3 to base 2 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Kindly like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.